Hi, Sai. What was your name?
It's Zach.
Zack.
Zach, yes.
Zack.
Yes, Zach.
Okay. So from the originally from where do you from?
I was born in Thailand.
Oh,
but I was
born in
raised here.
Thailand.
Yes.
I see.
Came over as a refugee in
I
the
see.
80s. And then
So you graduate school here.
Oh yeah, I went
see,
to school here. I raised
I
here.
see.
Don't let my accent fool you, but I was a refugee. So, yeah, I was a refugee.
That's it.
Yes.
Okay. So when did you start about the band life? About 6 months. Or?
6 months ago, yeah. I bought the van and I was putting everything together while I was working. You know, preparing for this day, which was like what, December 30th.
December 30th mean is
last year. So
last year.
I said peace to work. Like I'm done. I put enough money away. I got my camper van set up. I'm gonna travel for a month and then go to my other new job.
Oh, I
That's
see.
it.
I see. 彼はね仕事を辞めてで今度はトラックの免許を取ってアメリカ中をトラックで旅するっていう風に先ほど説明を聞きました。でラオスさん。
Yeah.
Regular places in Laos. I see. So, have you ever visited your country? Have you ever visited back to there?
No. I want to.
Oh, I see.
I want to, yeah. Maybe one day. But I want to travel the world too. Got so many goals. You know,
I see.
so many things on my bucket list.
I see.
You know?
Well, anyway, so how do you like your van life?
Oh, it's very peaceful.
Very peaceful.
Very peaceful, yeah. Well, for me to get up and go anywhere I want, it's the freedom that I love to have. You know, I could be here, I could be there at the drop of a dime. Boom.
Oh yeah.
I don't have to sit and wait.
Right.
Like tonight, I'll probably just I'll probably end up going tonight. Probably go to wash my laundry, do laundry, and then I'm gonna head out to a campsite up there, out behind Julian.
Oh, behind Julian.
Yeah, go out there.
So go up there. There's a snow coming down already, right? I think.
It's not snow. It's gonna be in the desert area.
Oh, desert area.
Yeah,
I see. Not mountain.
No.
I see.
You have to go to Julian, but you go down to the mountain. You go downhill back to the.
Yeah. Sir, if possible, can you band tour for me a little bit? Your band?
A tour? Yeah. Sure.
ちょっとね、彼の番をちょっと見せてもらいましょうかね。ちょっと風がうるさいかもしれないですね。夕日もね、こんな感じでいい感じですね。ちょっと夕日も撮りましょうか。いい感じですね。元は救急車ですね。救急車をこう買い取って。Can I climb up?
Yeah, come on in. It's
Yeah,
not
yeah,
big,
yeah.
but you know what?
It's
enough for one person.
Wow, everything there so nice, huh?
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
棚がね、最初からこういう風に作られてて便利ですよね。
I bought it because it has everything.
Nice one. Yeah. You don't need to do nothing, huh?
Medicine cabinet.
Cabinet.
Toothbrush,
Toothbrush,
whatever.
everything, huh?
Hygiene. So this is I put my food.
I see. Yeah, right.
Coffee.
And
then I'm sorting it out, trying to figure out what I want.
I see.
But that's it.
Yeah.
This is my electronics. All electronic stuff.
I see.
Here.
Yeah.
That's it. And then the lights. If I want the lights, I just hit the switch. I get 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
I get these lights.
Oh.
It's on a timer, so it's enough light to to see.
I see.
And then if I really want these one, I have to turn on the vehicle, and then this is very bright.
I see. Yeah. So you can go through from here too.
Yeah.
I see. Driver side. So this is a diesel engine, right?
Yes, sir.
What kind of car is it?
This is a Ford E350.
Oh, Ford. I see.
Ford E350.
I see. If possible, how much was this car?
It was sold for $2,500.
Only 25.
Yeah, I got lucky. But the value of this car should be up to like five to 6,000.
Right.
But I got it because
2500ドルで、はいはい。
well, the business, the ambulance business, they were out of business. They were
I see.
So he had to sell off his cars, sell off his ambulance.
Oh, you got lucky then.
Yeah, real lucky.
Yeah.
So I was like, I can jump on this thing.
Yeah, can I explain for what you little bit Japanese? まあ彼がね買ったのは2500ドルぐらいするんですけど、安かった、ものすごい半額ぐらいの値段って言ってますね。コストっていうか本来の値段は5、6千ドルで、そのアンビュランスカンパニー、日本では消防署はそうですね、消防署がアンビュランスやってるんですけど、こっちは個人でやってるんですね、救急車ですから、その会社がクローズダウン、閉めるっていうことで安くで買うことができたっていうことですね。Yeah, you got a lucky, huh? Very nice. Yeah. I see.
My coworker, she goes, "Hey, that's an ambulance?
Yeah.
Aren't you scared of ghosts?"
幽霊は怖くないかとかって友達が言ってたから、そうです。You don't care.
I don't care. Ghosts gonna kick my ass company. I don't believe in ghosts anyway.
Yeah.
What I'm afraid of is taxes. That's it.
一番怖いのは税金だとかって言ってますね。You are so funny. How do you spell your name?
Zack.
Zack. Zack. I see. You are funny. So your dream is all the U.S. visit trip. I see.
U.S. trip and take the nice adventurous
adventure, huh?
Yeah, adventure.
I see.
Do it before I die, before I get old,
Yeah.
At least I've been there.
まあね、死ぬ前にやりたいことをやりたいっていうふうに言ってますね。Yeah, I agree.
Right?
Yeah, right.
Shit, I don't want to live here, do nothing for the rest of my life.
Right.
Travel.
Yeah.
That's it.
ありがとうね、ザック。
ありがとう。
You gotta speak Japanese too. Thank you.